Hey guys, going to be doing a video for you now on a new app that I have recently found, and it is called System. Now basically what it is it's a System Utilities app that gives you information about your phone in terms of things that you will want to know, so battery percentage, memory, CPU and process, and how much free space and things like that you've got as well. Now not only does it give you just these kind of home screens here, but if you actually click on one of the examples like battery for instance, it's going to give some nice animation and say, okay, doing what you're doing on the phone now, you've got 1 hour and 3 minutes left, and it kind of tells you how much kind of battery percentage you've got up there, and it's saying it's discharging because it's not on charge at the moment. Now see down the bottom there, you're going to see that it's got obviously the standby time, talk time and audio. Not sure if you can see that because it's in yellow, but hopefully you can. And obviously you can flick between things down the bottom, video, YouTube, Bluetooth, 3D gaming, 2D gaming and things like that. So again, that's very nice, and it kind of gives you all the info that you need. And again, if you just click this little kind of load of squares here, that will then take you back to the home page. And then obviously you've got things like memory. So again, it's going to tell you what is active, wired, inactive, free. So it's going to give you some information about how much memory there is left on your actual device as well. Sometimes this can be quite useful. I haven't really found a use for the memory as of yet. CPU and processors is really nice as well. Obviously it gives you a list of your running applications, and then obviously tells you how much CPU usage is being used at any one time. So again, quite good that you'll be able to see kind of what's going to be using the most in terms of the phone itself. And also it does have other running processes as well, so some things that maybe aren't apps that are obviously running in the background and things, just kind of keep the phone rolling. So again, going back to the home page as well, disk space is exactly what you would expect. Tells you how much used space there is. So I've used 20.8% and I've got 79.2% left, so it's a 64 gig phone. And obviously it says that the disk space is available to load new data. So again, that's quite helpful as well. And obviously then network is just going to tell you your network settings and everything. So say whether you're on Wi-Fi or 3G. And what you can also do is you can also do a test of your network speed as well. So I showed you in the middle there, there's the little menu button. If you press the button next to that, it's then going to, if you look at the top, check your internet speed. This may take some time because I'm on 3G at the moment and it's pretty rubbish in my area where I am at the moment, but it does kind of give you a result. So connection speed 128 kilobits, so it does give you the information there that you need. Obviously it's got your IP address and all that info as well. So like I say, it's quite good in terms of what it offers. Now there is a way as well, I can't remember how to do it, but there is kind of like little tips and things down the bottom, like full charge cycle helps the battery to live a longer battery life, and obviously it gives you kind of like little tips and tricks down the bottom to kind of help improve your phone basically. Last off there, you do have just the general sense as well. I'm not going to go into that too much because it may have some information that you guys might want to have a look at. So like I say, this has been a quick look at System for iOS. Obviously there's a load of different apps like this out for Android that do a similar sort of thing, but this is the first one that I have found for iPhone basically that gives you all that info that you need. So like I said, I'm Michael from Copy Glass, and I'll catch you in the next video.